Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado is featured in our Glacier Blue metallic paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes our 2-inch factory lift. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine with an automatic transmission, as well as our 4-wheel drive system. Inside we have 5-passenger seating on jet black cloth seating surfaces. Some other features include heated front seats, our Google Infotainment System with Google Maps integration and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have a fully digital display cluster, a powered tailgate, black alloy wheels, a spray-on bed liner, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power windows, as well as power mirrors across the bottom, some storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, an electronic parking brake, transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive up top, as well as our trailer tow mode and drive mode below. Then we have lighting controls to the right, radio controls on the back of our steering wheel, power driver's seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster, fully digital system, and we can adjust it through our steering wheel. We can also adjust all of our layouts inside of it. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, cruise settings on the outside, forward collision alert, as well as heated steering wheel, audio controls and paddle shifter on the back of the steering wheel. Right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, and the controls for our display cluster information system. Also have paddle shifters and our controls for radio behind. Push to start ignition below and to the right. We have our Google Infotainment System. If we go into audio, you can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, as well as our podcast and news. Home hotkey, and then audio, maps, our phone, as well as trailer lights down the side. Google Map integration. Also have our phone connection, and if we have our phone in our wireless charger, it lights up. Have our cameras for our backup camera with our adaptive and hitch guidelines. Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on our first page. Second page, we have our trailer lights, climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as our settings and My Chevrolet. Home and volume button below. Then across the bottom, we have our lane keep assist, auto stop start, powered tailgate, our hazard lights, traction control, and our downhill assist. Next to our push to start, we have a integrated trailer brake controller, heated driver seat and heated passenger seat on either side of our climate, as well as a USB-C and USB for charging. Then across the center, we have our dual zone climate control, sink up top with AC, front and rear defrost, as well as fan controls in the center. Some storage below, leather finish shifter, some more storage throughout with our 2 cup holders. And the storage between our 2 cup holder, we can see we have our key fob. On our key fob, locks and unlocks, remote starter, powered tailgate, as well as our hazard or alarm system. Bottom of the center console, we have our wireless charging pad, accessible at all times. Leather finish console with storage up top. Inside, we have some removable shallow storage and some deep storage. USB-C, USB, wireless charger, and a 120-volt plug in the center console. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in our jet black cloth and heated for our passenger. Moving above the rear view mirror, at the front, we have our OnStar, and then our dome lighting controls on either side, as well as across the front. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, before our front door, we have our Z71 badging for our off-road package. Front tire and rim is our black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and our all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors as well as black door handles. 2-inch lift on the vehicle. Back of the vehicle has Trail Boss badging as well as our corner bumper steps. All the way around to the back, we have our Chevrolet badging etched into our bed. Silverado and LT badging in our dual chrome exhaust tips, as well as our trailer tow package. Power tailgate with a single release. Back of the vehicle, we have our in-bed lighting, 120 volt plug, as well as cable tie downs in both the front and the back of the bed. Then lastly, across the whole bed, we have our spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the two front seats, we have our cup holders with some storage, 2 vents, as well as a USB-C and USB for charging. Moving to our seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in our jet black cloth. To fold up the seats, we can simply press up on the bottom. We can lock them in place. We also have all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk-around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.